Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we have something a little different for you. We have the KFC Bucket Survival Kit, Kentucky Fried Chicken Bucket Survival Kit. And yeah, this is just a kit you can have in your vehicle, get it between some seats, under some shenanigans, wherever you want. And just have it there basically as an emergency kit. No one's really gonna think twice here. It's not gonna be a toolbox, so you don't have the risk of someone really breaking in or anything like that. It's not a Pelican case or something that looks valuable. It just looks like trash. And yeah, got this boy open. Yes, I wiped this whole thing down, degreased it, and cleaned it. It does not smell like chicken anymore. Here right on top, we have a basic bandana. This can be used for water filtration, signaling, first aid, carrying, foraging, all that stuff, marking trails. Right on top, we have some cordage, our 550 paracord. For cutting our utility, we have our off-brand multi-purpose multi-tool with additional adapters, so we can go ahead and either dismantle or repair whatever we need to, which is a real cool tool. I love this thing. It also has a plethora of saws, screwdrivers, and knife blades, of course. Screwdrivers, great little tool. We also have 2 packs, 2 pairs of 10-hour hand warmers. To keep us dry, we have a clear rain poncho. So if you need to make your way towards safety and towards rescue or towards help, keep yourself dry. We also have 2 packs of dried fruit and nuts. Also, to keep us warm, we have 2 Mylar or 2 rescue blankets. Great for reflecting heat. Turn your vehicle into a sauna very fast. We have a very basic first aid kit with a couple ibuprofen, aspirin, sunscreen, skin relief, and as well as a couple butterfly bandages. We have a bar of soap for hygiene, so if you have a source of water some nearby, clean yourself up if need be. Here we have the Star Flash signal mirror. Works great for signaling for help from long distances. For another way of cutting, we have an emergency card or backup card pretty much. So if you lose, break, or don't want to break or lose this, you can just use this little thing. It has a saw, knife, can opener, bottle opener, a screwdriver, a couple different wrenches. It's a great little thing to have in your kits. Takes up barely any space, it doesn't weigh that much. Another way of cooking, or a way of cooking, or starting a fire in a wet environment, we have some aluminum foil right here. This could go with that. If you want to light a candle in your car, you have a 9-hour emergency candle, either for heat or light. We have 2 vitamin C packets. A single packet of mustard for nutrients boost. Form of fire starting. We got some where we have a Bic lighter wrapped with some duct tape and some snare wire to make it multi-purposed. Here we have a ferrocerium striker and ferro rod. That is a thick rod, so you're going to get a good amount of fires out of this as long as you use it correctly. For water treatment, we have some water purification tablets. These things work great. We also have a magnification card. It can be used for first aid or fire starting. We also have a signal whistle to go with our mirror. This one has the belt loop, which is really cool. We also have a compass for navigation, so we can find our way out if need be. Oh, we also have our water containment bag right here. Just a nice thick Ziploc bag. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Love hearing from you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a nice day.